All right, what's up, everybody? Chris Helms Landscape Design. We are at a project here in Houston, Spring Branch area. We tore down their old fence, built all new fence, new hardware, and new frame on the gate. This whole area got Black Star gravel. We ran over it with the compactor to keep it nice and tight. Homeowner transplanted some of these from the front, and we framed out a little bed for them. Got another new partition fence here with a gate, all filled in with Black Star gravel. The homeowner had a couple of these rectangular pavers, and so we took those rectangular pavers and just put them into stabilized sand. And so he has his little barbecue area back. Right here, kind of hard to see from the sun, but we've got the start of some Eagleston hollies. And then we get into this new landscape area here. We got a fountain that we basically was here at the house before we started. So basically all we did was just transplant it to this area back here, and then hooked the float back up, ran electrical power, and we have it uplit at night. But it's a cool little feature. We got some caladiums and some seasonal color, and then the backdrop of this fountain is some Japanese yews. As we transition this way, just got some Pringle yews and a small little bed there. Basically all this water in this area here just drains to this channel drain. We tied in a couple downspouts over to a main drain that's over there just left of the green. And then as you can see, we got beautiful synthetic lawn all throughout this yard. Again, with the Eagleston hollies, as you can see, they get a little taller down there. We switched over to 95 gallon, and these are 45 gallon. Right here, more caladiums on this side of the fountain with some beautiful agapanthus, and then seasonal color and some angelonia, some purple and pink angelonia. And then right here, we just did a simple, sweet little putting green for this family. They do like to golf, and so they wanted an area where their kids and them can just kind of play around and putt around. So a little bit of undulation, a little bit of up down, and a little bit of break here, but nothing super over the top, as it's more for the kiddos and stuff like that. So we framed in a section of this brick wall. There used to be a gate, a wooden gate right here. So we got rid of the wooden gate and then used some leftover brick and just kind of framed that back up for them. And then big magnolias, 6 of those magnolias, just kind of lining the street side of this house. And eventually they'll grow up real tall and help hide some of those electrical wires. Little sandy leaf ivy in these 3 little tree rings. And then a huge synthetic turf area here. And over here, eventually we're going to build a pergola here. But we've got some pits and some drift rose, and then some Odo viburnums, kind of framing that back there. And then some walking iris. And this whole area is uplit beautifully at night, and we'll do a video on the lighting later on. More to come in the front. Some nice pavers here, pavers there. We're going to do a sport court in the courtyard area, and then some more drift roses here and a Chinese fringe tree, and then a lot of ground cover up front. As we go this way, we've got some more Odos just lining the front of the fence. We built and stained this fence here. Added a new gate there for them. Then up in the corner there, we got some Encore azaleas, and then some Japanese yews there to hide all that utility equipment. So everything's framed in with metal edging, and it's uplit with landscape lighting from FX. Hope you enjoyed this walkthrough. Helms Landscape Design out of Houston, Texas.